Good evening, friends. Today, let's discuss what are the reasons for erectile dysfunction and what can be the treatment profile for it. My name is Dr. Kirti Anurag. I am a senior consultant neuropsychiatrist and a sexual disorder specialist. So, let's first try to understand what are the reasons for erectile dysfunction. So, among the reasons, first of all, comes blood flow to your penis. Sometimes blood flow to the penis decreases due to multiple reasons, and because of that, there are issues. First thing which decreases blood flow is constriction of the vessels which carry blood towards the penis. Number one can be because of substances like nicotine during smoking, alcohol, or any kind of other drug abuse for a long amount of time. So these things can decrease blood flow to your penis. Second is if you are suffering from any kind of disease like diabetes, blood pressure, thyroid, these things also decrease blood flow to your penis. Third is if you are taking any medicines related to blood pressure, that also decreases blood flow. Apart from this, stress. Sometimes when person is in stress because of professional, social, any other interpersonal issues between husband and wife or partner, because of that also blood flow towards penis decreases. So how do we overcome this? First point is that we have to understand that we have to eliminate the cause which is causing this situation. So what and how can we do that? If it is because of blood pressure, we have to normalize that. If because of diabetes, we have to normalize that. If because of any medicine it is, then we have to stop that. Along with that, if it is because of any kind of stress or any kind of argument between partners, we have to normalize that also. Apart from this, during olden times, most of the time, Viagra was used as a wonder pill which was taken 1 hour before sex and people used to perform well. But nowadays it has been outdated. Newer phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitors have come up and they are working amazingly well. And along with that, we have to provide also nutraceuticals like B12, L-Arginine, along with that vitamin D, pine bark extract. All these things are also very essential for your good sexual life. And last but not the least, good communication between partners along with a very romantic relationship and good physical and mental health always leads to a good sexual life and also helps in decrease in erectile function problems. So if you are interested in these kinds of uh, active and necessary information about sexual health, then do subscribe our channel. And our platform has multiple doctors. If you wish and you are suffering from any of these problems, do reach out to our panel of doctors so we can help you out. Thank you.